you were talking about the release of water from the dams. You were talking about the Pond Dam, you were talking about the Bhakra Nangal Dam. We've seen the amount of rainfall that has come in Himachal, in Jammu, in all these catchment areas of the Ravi and the Beas rivers and their entire water systems. We're seeing a lot of cloudbursts, we're seeing a lot of water. What are you picking up from the administration about these dams and about the release of water? Because a lot of these flooding in the villages at least is because water is being also released from the dams to ensure that the dams themselves don't get damaged. Is that correct?
Absolutely. First of all, there is this regulation which is done, mostly 2 or 3 gates. But now what we've seen in Pathankot, in other areas, what we're talking about, even in Gurdaspur, where there is a Tibri river, there is also river Ravi, which goes into Pakistan, comes back to India again. This is where what we can tell you is the gates are open to regulate the system as such. The dams cannot hold that much water, but right now, all the rivers are swollen at this point of time. So clearly, when we're talking about the sort of information coming in is whether we're talking about Satluj, we're talking about Beas, the rivers are all swollen. And this is clearly a big indication about how things really are at this point of time. And this is where the traffic is really impacted. This is where livelihoods are impacted. All this is making a huge difference as far as the people are concerned. But yes, the Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Uj rivers swollen by continuous downpour in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, obviously inundating several of these particular villages. Over 1 lakh acres of crop, be it paddy, maize, bajra, all being destroyed. Also concerning are the mud houses, this one being a sewage system of sorts. We are talking about that. This is where it's all impacted, and a grave concern is that this is something which is going to only increase, and this is where we are also looking at areas which were not inundated earlier. So like the area of Sabrawan, which is in Amritsar, this is where what we've been told is the rivers are overflowing, several of them entering into homes, and this is a key concern. Because remember, the villages are impacted. You just look at these people walking with what looks like a daily, and a lot of people now putting up a brave front to ensure. We'll just try and get a sense. आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Just
घर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं कि आप घर पे ही जा रहे हैं?
घर पे जा रहे हैं।
तो कितना पानी आया है?